how to fix feedback required problem easily and fast on Android or even iOS iPhone. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem in less than 50 seconds. So all what you wanna do is open the Play Store first and search for Instagram and then update it, and then go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode and disable it again. Go back, open the apps manager page, go to the apps, open Instagram app. This is the app information page. All what you have to do on this page is click on this force stop option and then go down, click on the data users, make sure that all the network access options are enabled, and then go down, click on the storage, click on clear data to clear all the data in the app. So that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the very end.